हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। तो यहाँ पे सुबह की शुरुआत चाय से हो रही है और हमारा चाय बन चुका है। मैं चाय पीने वाली हूँ। आई एम श्योर आप सब भी पीते होंगे। सो दिस इज़ अ मॉर्निंग टी एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक खीर and so this is for my mom. My mom always loves kheer, that's why I'm making today. And I'm just going to boil milk and then I have soaked rice. So here you can see milk is boiled, so I'm going to add rice which is soaked before 30 minutes and then keep it a low flame and boil, make it complete boil. And after rice is properly cooked, then you can add sugar. And the second side I'm going to make sabji like beans and potato. So here you can see the process. I can explain it process. You can see that I've added pyaz and aloo and beans. So now I'm going to add a cardamom in the kheer. It's give you a little bit of flavor. So kheer is properly cooked. So now I'm adding sugar, and after adding sugar you have to keep it for some time also, and then it's cooked. So here I have kept it kheer on low flame, and now I'm going outfit for today. I'm going to wear this jeans and this top. So I'm going for bath. So here I am going to be ready for office. So there is 3 steps for my daily you can see skincare, that is moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. There's 3 steps. And now I'm going to wear earring, that is a shirt earring, and then its final look. So this is the breakfast for today, that is a toasted bread and sauce. And now I'm going to office and I'm on my way. So I'm going to bus stop and then I have to take my bus because my office is very near to my house. So let's go, and I will meet you after office hour in the evening. Bye. I'm going home after office. Hi, good evening. So कर लिया एंड यू नो so many things you have to wash your hand and sanitize and so many things. So अभी चाय बन रही है, फिर हम चाय पियेंगे, उसके बाद मैं फिर न्यूज़ देखूँगी थोड़ा देर। और आज का दिन अच्छा गया, बहुत सारा वर्क था ऑफिस में एंड आई डिड सब